Welcome to Station 3. My name is Xiaopeng Gou, a researcher in Department of Soil Science, University of Manitoba. The 4R nutrient stewardship means to apply the right source of fertilizer at the right rate, at the right time, and the right placement. In this video, I'm gonna share with you some of the preliminary results from the first year of this canola project. So the field experiments were conducted at two sites near Saint-Claude in Manitoba. And each site we have set up different treatment combinations of fertilizer source, time, and placement under two varying nitrogen rates of 100% and 70% of provisional recommendation level. For these treatments, nitrogen was applied either in fall or in spring or through the in-season applications. So the first objective we have addressed was that whether a surface broadcast of Super U, which is an enhanced efficiency fertilizer product that contains urease and nitrification inhibitors, can maintain or increase canola yield compared to shallow or deep banding of conventional urea. So very interestingly, we found that for the 100% nitrogen rate, surface broadcast of Super U performed better than banding of urea for both fall and spring applications. For the 70% nitrogen rate, however, surface broadcast of Super U had similar yields as banding of urea for fall application, and even resulting in lower yield than deep banding of urea for the spring application. So this result suggests that at a relatively low nitrogen supply level, placement may play a more important role than fertilizer sources. So the second objective was to test the benefits of enhanced efficiency fertilizer products when they were shallow or deep banded. So the preliminary results from the first year show that for the 100% rate, shallow banding of Super U and also a blend of ESN and urea had higher yields than conventional urea for the fall application. And similarly, use of new nitrification inhibitors such as in-trench and also a blend of ESN and urea had better performance than other sources for the spring application. We also found that the benefits of enhanced efficiency fertilizers were limited for the 70% nitrogen rate, especially when fertilizers were applied in fall. For example, among the different enhanced efficiency fertilizer products, in-trench was found to be the only product that had similar yield as conventional urea when fertilizers were applied in fall at 70% nitrogen rate. So overall, it seems that nitrification inhibitor product in-trench is a good option to use as a supplemental for urea, either in fall or in spring. The third objective was to test the benefits of enhanced efficiency fertilizers for the in-season application, for the in-season UAN application. So what we basically found was that use of Agrotene, which is a urease inhibitor, or Agrotene Plus, which contains both a urease and a nitrification inhibitors, shows some benefits for crop yield. We also observed that use of a blend of ESN and Super U at plant rather than urea alone helped to improve yield at both 100% and 70% nitrogen rates. In conclusion, this result suggests that advanced 4R nutrient management needs to consider the interactions between the 4R components of rate, source, time, and placement. Thank you.